Can a pair of glasses change how athletes train, perform, and share their game? Because what Meta and Oakley just dropped isn't just another wearable. It's a game changer for AI in sports. Let's break it down. Meta and Oakley just unveiled the Oakley Meta HSTN, performance-focused smart glasses powered by Meta's AI and engineered for elite athletes. It's the next evolution of hands-free computing, and it's built for real-time answers, POV content capture, and always-on connectivity. Just say, "Hey Meta," and you can check wind speed on a golf course, record a trick on your board, or post to stories, all while staying in motion. Here's what's new. A 3K Ultra HD camera for sharp, immersive video. Double the battery life of Meta's Ray-Ban line. 8 hours of use, 48 hours with a charging case. IPX4 water resistance for sweat, surf, and unpredictable weather. PRIZM Lens tech to boost contrast and clarity in real-world conditions. And 6 color and lens combinations, all RX ready. We've launched with a global campaign featuring Kylian Mbappe, Patrick Mahomes, and more, showing how athletes across golf, surf, UFC, and skate are using AI to level up. The limited edition gold model starts at $499, with the standard line launching later this summer starting at $399 across 15 countries. Smart glasses are no longer experimental. They're here, and Oakley Meta HSTN proves that performance meets intelligence. You're watching Champion EdTech, where we cover the frontier of AI, wearables, and innovation in learning and sport. If you're excited about what's coming next, like this video, share it with someone who loves tech, and subscribe to Champion EdTech for weekly insights on the future of intelligence in motion.